Commercial Motors is a Newport-based company established in February 2009. At Commercial Motors, we are the main dealers in South East Wales for Isuzu trucks, MAN trucks and MG Rover parts. Throughout our industry there has been a skills shortage for technicians. We were concerned that new business growth would be stopped as we could not recruit employees to have a high level of expertise. An opportunity arose to take on 3 apprentices who we could train and mould to our standards. By increasing our skilled workforce through apprenticeships, it gave us the confidence to expand our customer base, which has greatly improved our productivity. At Commercial Motors, we are committed to continued professional development for our highly skilled team of technicians.
After leaving school, I wanted to earn a wage, but I still wanted to gain a qualification. I'm becoming a fully qualified technician. I get paid a weekly wage, and I don't have to sit in a classroom Monday to Friday.
We want all our apprentices to reach their ultimate goal of master technician status. Ryan and Sean recently competed against the best in Wales at WorldSkills UK competition. Showcasing their skills and our training, of course, our apprentices came 2nd and 3rd in their category.
Every day at Commercial Motors is different. I could be working on trucks and trailers. My ultimate goal is to stay on to work with the Commercial Motors teams. I have learnt new systems and skills, and thanks to the WorldSkills competition, I have also trusted more of my abilities.
Apprenticeships have given us the opportunity to work with highly motivated learners who want to gain new skills and become valued members of the Commercial Motors team. As a business, we're always looking for new opportunities for business growth. With the help of our apprenticeships, we're addressing skills shortages, increasing productivity and business growth.